Hey everybody, the S24 Ultra is here. Let's unbox this and take a look. All right, so we have the S24 Ultra here. Let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look. We'll go ahead and peel off the top here, and we'll go ahead and peel off the bottom. And let's just take a look at the box here. So we'll take the lid off, and there we have our S24 Ultra in the titanium gray. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we get. Okay, so inside the cover, we've got the paper. We'll go ahead and take a look. This should have most likely our charging cable, the paperwork that usually comes with it, and our SIM ejection tool. Here's the paperwork. And we'll go ahead and pull this out on the other side. And there we go. There is our charging cable and the SIM ejection tool. Okay, so we've got our USB-C to USB-C charging cable, our standard cable that comes with the Samsung Galaxy phones. Let's go ahead and set this off to the side, and let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful phone. This is the titanium gray. Go ahead and remove that from the box, set that off to the side, and we can see the new color. The sides here, we have the volume up and down and the power button. Along the other edge, we just have that titanium frame. Along the top, we have our speakers. On the bottom, we have our S Pen, our SIM tray, and the speaker port. All right, let's go ahead and peel off the cover here. Moment we've all been waiting for. All right, and that is a beautiful display. We've got the flat display now, so there is no more curved display. Let's go ahead and power this on, and we'll take a look. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you'll see the new content on the S24 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.